As we grow in love, may we always be to you what God.
Ako, napapaliw na yung matatlong anak dyan.
Always there to be strong and to lead.
As we grow in love, may we always be to you what God would have us be, a family always there, to be strong and to
Words of love be on our lips in everything we say. May the Spirit melt our hearts and teach us how to pray, that we might be a true family.
Tayo din siya, oh.